Hello everyone, so this is just a quick video to show you how to get the centers of mass and tensors of inertia of an industrial robot, where we are going to use the ABB RAB 1100 as an example. So you will find, depending on the manufacturer and wherever and which robot you're using, you'll find the CAD models, and you will download the composite model in step form. You can use different formats. I prefer using step because it's most widely supported. After this, you have downloaded this, you will essentially get a zip file that once you open, you're going to have different files in it based on different versions or different revisions. I suggest picking the latest revision, the HTTP model, and you will open this model. I'm using Solidworks as an example. Many different softwares will enable you this. You can use, for example, FreeCAD as a free alternative. So after you double click this, it will take a while to open. You might get some warnings about the model. Just if you aren't sure what you're doing, if you just click yes and keep going. So once you're open, you will get the model of the robot. On the left side, you will see different parts of robot, different joints, or to be more precise, different links of the robot for selection. So you want to determine the mesh properties for example, for dynamics calculation. What you will do up here in this part, you will select, in this version of Solidworks, you will select the evaluate tab. Depending on your version, it might be called something different, but whatever it is, you are looking for a dialog called mass properties. Make sure you select whichever the joint you want. I'm going to start from the first joint. I'm not interested in the base because it's not dynamically molded, it's not moving, so I'm going to start from the first joint. It's going to be highlighted in blue once I select it, and I'm going to click mass properties here. Now this dialog is going to give me a lot of information that I'm going to need for the specific class that I'm recording this, industrial robotics class at University of Rijeka. We are interested in this mass. It's given in grams, and our center of mass of this joint in millimeters. Make sure to convert this to the appropriate size that you're interested in. And finally, you have different moments of inertia depending on the alignment and and where it's measured. What we are interested in is this first one, which are the principal axis of inertia and moments of inertia taken at the center of the mass, specifically this. If you look at this, this is the metrics that, if you are one of our students, you should be familiar with, the tensor of inertia, right? So here it is. You will need this information, and this information. You can copy this to clipboard. You can copy it directly from here, enter it into your simulation or whatever you want. And for all the other joints, you can just repeat this process. For each individual joint, you will have all of those specific measurements. So that's pretty much it. That's pretty much all the information that you need. If you're one of our students, just enter this into the files we provided to you. You can see that when you select it, it will actually hopefully show the center of mass, and you can get all the information that you need from here.